students, and welcome to Rishi Computer Education. Today we are going to see the CSS font properties. So there are various properties that you can set for the fonts. Suppose you can set a font family of your text. You can change the font style, or else you can take font size and so on. So let's see them one by one. First I am taking one paragraph and Rishi Online Buddhi. Okay, now suppose I want to set the font family to this paragraph. So for that I will use the property called font family. Now there are two types of font family names. First is generic family and other is font family. So in generic family, a group of font families is with a similar look, and in font family a specific font family like Times New Roman, Arial, Vardhana comes. So first I will give as Arial, and let's see the output. Okay, just copy this, paste, and we'll give ID to the next paragraph, that is 1, and now we'll change the font family of other paragraph. So 1 font family I am giving Courier New. Let's see the output. Here you can see the difference between font family. So this way you can set the font family for your text. Next I am giving font style. So for that I will give font style. So what are the values for font style? So first you can give italic, and in next paragraph I am giving font style as oblique. Let's see the output. Here you can see oblique is very similar to italic, but it is less supported, and you can change it to normal. Okay, it's back to normal. Next I want to change the size of my font, so I'll use the property font size, and now I will give as 30 pixel. Let's save and see. Here you can see the font size has been changed. Next property I am going to use is font variant. Font variant property specifies whether or not a text should be displayed in a small caps font. In small caps font, all lowercase letters are converted to uppercase letters. However, the converted uppercase letters appear in smaller font size than the original uppercase letter in text. Let's see now. Here I am using font variant and I am giving small caps. Let's see the output. Here you can see it has changed to uppercase letter, but it is smaller in size only. This way you can change the font variant. So this was some properties of fonts you can use in your document. With this we end up the session. Thank you.